Welcome, and follow me is a Bocoin K800, and today I will show you how to wipe cache on this device. So starting off, we will need to actually power off the phone, so hold power key and select power off, confirm it. Now wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will hold volume up and power key simultaneously. So now let's hold volume up, power key. Okay, and from here, what you want to do is use volume up to navigate to this menu. So as you can see, volume up, and volume down to confirm your selection. And what you want to select is recovery mode, which is the first option, as you can see right here. So tap on volume down. Then you should see the Android with no command. So from here, hold power key and tap volume up once. So hold and tap here. And now we're in recovery mode. So from here, we'll use volume up and down to navigate. So volume down to go down and up to go up. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition here and confirm it with power key. And we get a little message right here. The last thing you should see is cache wipe complete, and you should be back into the main recovery screen with reboot system now being selected. So just confirm it once more with the power key and wait for the device to power back on. And now the device is back on, finishing the process. So that is basically how you wipe cache partition, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.